Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Faye Marie and this is my channel On The Mauve. In this video, I'm going to be walking you guys through my latest haul from Victoria's Secret Pink. If you want to see what I purchased from Pink, keep on watching, but before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. So I ordered these items from online and I got the package yesterday, so we're going to open it together and see what I got. The first item that I purchased is this really fun T-strap sports bra. It does have a T back, and along the back it says Pink. It also has a really nice stretchy mesh detail on the bottom, which I really like when it has this extra material on the sports bra because I feel like it just adjusts to my body better. I do like to wear these for working out and just every day when I don't feel like putting on a real bra. And I got this from their sale section actually, and it was $14.99, so it was a great purchase. I also got this other sports bra, and this one is more of a classic t-shirt sports bra. It's white and it has the Pink logo in a light gray. I got this in a size medium, which is the size I typically get on sports bras. And this one I got for $10 with an original price of $20, so great buy here. The next item that I got is this gray scarf, and the reason that I got this scarf from Pink is because I don't like using my regular scarves when I go to the gym because I feel like I'm always so sweaty after the gym that I decided that I wanted a scarf just for wearing to and from the gym. And this one's really nice. It's gray with a lighter gray logo on it, and it's really long, which I like because I love feeling bundled up in the winter. And I got this blanket scarf for $20. I also got 3 leggings in this haul, so let's open them up together. The first pair that I got is just a regular pair of leggings that I like to layer on under my clothing in the winter. And I got it for $19.50, which is the original price on the leggings. The next item that I purchased was a pair of yoga leggings that I got on sale for $29.95. I'm not the biggest fan of the waistline because it does have the bling, but why I purchased it initially on the website is because I like the lines going down the pants that say Pink on them. I think it's a nice little classic take on the regular yoga legging, and I could just wear a top that covers the waistline. The next pair that I got are also yoga leggings, and this is a dark heather gray, so they're not black like the other two, which is nice. I typically always get yoga pants that are black, but I got this one in a dark gray just to kind of switch it up a little bit. These I got on sale for $20, and they have a cute little Pink logo here in silver. The last items that I got were some sheet masks that I got on sale for $1.99, which is a great price for sheet masks. They typically retail for $5. The first one that I got is called Selfie Skin, and it has coconut oil. The next one that I purchased is called Silver Bell, and it's a foil sheet mask. This one claims that you'll shine bright like a diamond, and it has a vitamin B3 in it. And then the last one is called So Over This, and it's a calming sheet mask with tea tree oil. And that's the end of my Pink haul. I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing some of these fun items with me. As always, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time.